What if you could replay your birth? What would that mean to you if you could do it differently with better skills? And if you've never given birth, wouldn't it be really good to have the absolutely best birth possible? And it's available to you once you become skilled. It's called learning how to birth better, even though you might not have a better birth. We have a resource for you that's called Three Births. Now, it's quite unique because what we did was we actually replayed the exact same birth story in three different ways. Now, how is that possible? Well, first of all, we took the time frame when birth happened, how women felt about their birth, and how fathers felt about helping and coaching, and what happened at that birth, and we told that story from a woman's viewpoint and then from her partner's viewpoint. Individually and together they had a good birth. And then we told the exact same story again from the woman's viewpoint and from the father's viewpoint, but they didn't have a good birth. And then we took that story one more time and we told it from the viewpoint of birthing better with the Pink Kit method. Now, of course, that's the product we'd like to sell you, but you first have to know more about it. So we'd really like you to go to this resource now and get it. It will cost you a wee bit, but it will help you understand the difference between having a good birth that just happens to you, having a bad birth that just happens to you, and how learning birthing skills can make all the difference in the world. Now, sure, you've got to practice them, and we want you to start anytime after 24 weeks. And remember, it's just like driving a car. You got a set of complex skills you got to put together and practice, practice, practice until you can prove that you can drive a car well on the day that you take your driving test. Remember, birth only happens one day, so you want to practice and practice your skills so that when it happens, you can have a birthing better Pink Kit birth as well. Even if you don't have the birth you'd like, or the one you planned, or the one you wanted. Remember, birth is something that you do. It's not something that happens to you.